How companies use data is a critical part of their success, and the people who can harness the power of data to drive insights will be highly valued by companies of all sizes in almost every industry. Thanks to tools like Power BI, the skills to collect, clean, analyze, and visualize data are well within reach for any professional looking to gain a competitive edge. Power BI is a powerful way to make sense of data, draw in your audience, and help businesses make better decisions with visualizations that yield actionable insights. That's why Udacity has partnered with leading experts to create the Data Analysis and Visualization with Power BI Nanodegree program. This program will teach you to develop in-demand skills in data preprocessing, visualization, and analysis, using Power BI as the primary tool. You'll learn to utilize Power BI to process and transform data, build compelling data visualizations that tell a story, and create dashboards that help businesses draw the insights needed to make critical decisions. By the end of this program, you will have created a portfolio of real-world projects to show your skills with Power BI. Learn to look at data in a different way and lead key business decisions. Enroll in Udacity's Data Analysis and Visualization with Power BI Nanodegree program today.